We're going to practice feeling how different notes want to pull to others in the major scale. We're going to start by going up the scale. You can use solfege or numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's hold this out. 7. We're going to hold it out. Feel how it wants to go up to 1. Now let's sing 1. We're going to go back down to 7 or T. Feel that pull, that tension, go up to 1 or Do. Okay, now we're going to go down the octave to low Do. 3, 4. Up to high Do. And we're going to go down to T. Feel that pull. Back up to Do. Back down to Do, low Do. Or 1. Okay, now I want you to hear where 1 is, and you're going to sing T or number 7. And bring it up to high Do. Sing T in your head, number 7, and now let's sing it out loud. Back down to low Do. Now we're going to count up again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to hang on this note. This is Fa. It wants to resolve to Mi, so let's go down to the 3. And now go back up to Fa, or 4. Resolve back down to Mi. Let's go down to the root, or low Do. Back up to Mi. We're going to go up to 4. Feel the suspension. It wants to go back down to 3. Now let's go back down to 3. And down to low Do. I want you to audiate up to 3 and then go up to 4 in your head. We're going to sing it out loud right here. And go down to 3 or Mi. Good. Think about what Fa feels like against the drone. Here we go. Fa. Now we're going to go up to high Do. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's count down Do, T, and we're going to end on La. Do, T, and La. Hold La. It wants to pull down to So. Let's sing So. Go back up to La, or the 6. Feel how the 6 wants to pull down to the 5. Here's So again. Go up to high Do. And down to So. Pull up to La. And have that go back down to So. To high Do. Okay, now in your head I want you to think about So, and then La above it. Here we go. And sing So. Alright, one more time. Audiate La and sing it. 2, 3, 4. Back down to low Do. Okay, now we're going to count up to the 2. So we have Do and Re. And hang on, Re. Feel the rub between 1 and 2. And now go back down to 1. Go back up to 2 or Re. And now go up to Mi. Back down to 2 or Re. Feel the tension between Do and Re. And now go down to Do. Okay, hear Re in your head and let's sing it. 2, 3, 4. And back down to Do. Good job. Now we're going to alternate going between Do and all the other notes in the scale. So we have Do, Re, down to do, up to mi, down to do, up to fa, down to do, up to so, down to do, up to la, down to do, up to ti, down to do, up to do. Repeat do. And now let's go down to ti, back up to do, down to la, back up to do, down to so, back up to do, down to fa, back up to do, keep it in tune, down to mi, up to do, down to re, up to do, down to do. Okay, let's sing the major triad. Do, here's mi, here's so, and here's high do. Okay, now hear ti in your head. Let's sing ti, 3, 4. And now let's bring it up to do, 3, 4. Now hear mi in your head, and then go up to fa. Let's sing fa, go. And pull it down to mi. Good. Now sing so in your head, and go up to la, 3, 4. And go back down to so. Now think of low do, and we're gonna sing re, 2, 3, 4, re, and resolve it down to do. Good. Repeat this until you know where the tendency tones are in the scale. If you feel like you overshot or undershot any of these, that's okay. This is a skill that you're all going to get better at. Practice up. We'll see you in the shed.